SOLIDWORKS CAM Professional is required to work in an assembly environment, but it is possible to machine an assembly of nested parts, like this, using SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard. Since SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard works with parts, we need to first save this assembly as a part file. The part comes in as a group of bodies, which we can combine into a single body. Then we can machine it using SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard. When defining the stock, use a bounding box with no offsets. Extract machinable features will automatically recognize an open pocket with all the parts being identified as islands. And of course, it will recognize all the features within the parts. Here's the simulation. The disadvantages of using SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard for this instead of SOLIDWORKS CAM Professional are two. There's no link back to the original assembly, and the parts are dumb solids. If modifications are necessary, making those changes would be much more time-consuming in the part file than in the assembly. Thank you.